Taking care of your natural hair is not just for the ladies, it's for the guys too. Make sure you detangling that hair, make sure you're using the correct products. My clients come in looking like anything because they know I'm gonna get them right. The products matter. We went in and blow dry his hair and started off by braiding with the Taliah Waajid braiding edge smooth and hold gel. Now we use this for the parts and we use it for the hair. I like to use gels that's super tacky, but also it allows my client's scalp to breathe and will not clog their pores. So we went in and started braiding his hair with this, and look at the finish. The shine and the finish is bomb. Set the hair, we went in with the Taliah Waajid set and shine mousse. Really set these braids off, put them under the dryer for about 10 minutes, and by the time he got out, the shine was already there. By then, after the wash and everything, your scalp needs some replenishing. The Taliah Waajid growth oil smells so good and will just add the perfect shine back to your scalp and moisture back to your hair. But can we talk about this transformation, the before and the after? Baby, we got him back right.